Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be testing exfoliating socks, and I did the treatment with another pair of exfoliating socks, and the results were actually pretty disappointing. So I decided to buy another pair of exfoliating socks. These are the ones I got. They are made in Korea. They are by brand Tonymoly Super Peeling Liquid. And I got these ones a few years ago, and I remember that I had really good effects with these, so I decided to just get them again. But I've been using exfoliating socks since 2012. Yeah, so it's been like 8 years, and I've been doing the treatments like once a year. That's totally enough for me, but I know that there are people who do these treatments a few times a year. Don't do it every week because you need to give your skin some time to heal and to regenerate. So yeah, I wouldn't advise to use these socks like every week. Definitely not. At least you should give like a month break, maybe like 3-4 weeks, something like that. In this package you get one pair of plastic socks and also 2 pockets of the liquid, the product that works, and also this foot cream, which is a nice addition because you usually just get the socks with the liquid inside of them, but I really like that they give you separate pockets with the product, so you can apply it whenever you're ready, when you have your socks on your feet. It's just easier, you don't make that much mess, because sometimes when you apply these socks, the liquid is like all over them, and it's a mess. So I prefer that they give you separate pockets with the liquid, and also they give you more liquid inside of those pockets. The other socks that already had liquid in them, instead of in separate packets, they usually don't have that much liquid, that much product inside. So I think that's why the other pair of exfoliating socks didn't work for me. It just wasn't enough liquid to work. You need to make sure that your skin is saturated in this peeling solution. If you want to see step by step how you apply this treatment and you want to see the effects, then keep on watching. So this is how my feet look, actually how my foot looks right after the treatment. I had the socks on for an hour and a half, and they were definitely a lot more soaked. You can still see the lines from the from the socks, but I could definitely tell they absorbed a lot more product than with the last socks. So that's good. Hopefully it will reflect in effect. So yeah, this is how my skin looks after a day. You can see that there's a lot of that skin that I need to get rid of, but yeah, so pretty much this is before, and in a few days when my skin will start to peel, I will show you the results. But yeah, this is it. I haven't noticed any side effects, so just wanted to let you guys know. it's been a couple of days actually. I'm curious now how many days actually passed since I did the treatment, because with this foot peel mask, my feet start to peel like pretty quickly. I think it was like after 2-3 days, and with the other peels it would be like after a week. But yeah, the peeling was very intense, which I'm super happy with, because it finally took all that dead skin layer off my feet. That's exactly what I wanted. So I'm very happy with this super peeling liquid shiny foot mask. Yeah. So I would say this is the best foot mask I've used so far. And yeah, like I said, I bet it was because of the amount of liquid that they give you. Like with the other mask, they just give you a little bit, and I think for me it's just not enough. If I would be doing this treatment like, I don't know, every 2 months, every month, probably that would be enough. But because I do it like just once a year, sometimes even more rare, like I needed some serious foot peel. So I'm looking for that video. Where is it? Okay, so I just checked and it's been over a week since I did the treatment. Exactly 7, 8, 9, 10 days. Exactly 10 days. And I'm super happy with the results. I believe my feet start to peel. Let me see. My feet start to peel like after 3 days of the treatment, and then like I could see a really intense peeling after 5 days, and it lasted a week, but now it's gone finally. Yeah, 10 days after it's finally done, even though they say that what do they say? Oh, in 4 to 6 days the dead cells will naturally start falling off from your feet. Do not try peeling them forcefully. I agree. You know, when I had an itch to like try to peel, I would just put socks on and I would forget about it. So yeah, I'm like super happy. I mean, you can see results in the clips. A lot of that skin fell off, and that's great. That's exactly what I wanted. From now on, I'm just gonna buy this treatment because all the other ones are just like kind of whatever. They are all like the same price, around $10. So this is way better, and you get a foot cream. I should actually use it probably. I just used this foot cream, and I gotta say, this smells amazing. And I also love the consistency. It's not too thick, not too liquidy. It's like perfectly creamy, so it's easy to apply on your skin. And oh, I just love this smells. Yeah, I just wanted to quickly share my results and how many days it took, but I'm very, very pleased with the results. I didn't notice any side effects, which is great, because I remember one time I used some other foot mask, and I actually like went out with my regular shoes and my feet started to bleed. That was not cool. But I've used this one at least once before, and I didn't notice any side effects, so I feel like this is a safe choice for me. So I'm just gonna stick with it for now, because I don't want to risk, you know, any side effects with other product. But yeah, I'm very happy. This whole thing took around 7 days, which is great. I know with other products sometimes it may take up to 2 weeks, and that's just a little too long for me. Like I can deal with, you know, peeling for 3-4 days, but 2 weeks, it's just a little too long for me. But yeah, so I can definitely recommend this treatment. I'm gonna link it down below in the description box, and if you have any ideas what else I can test for you guys, also let me know, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.